In this video, I'll show you how to use your Epson WF-2910 scanner. I'll show you how to scan documents to your phone and also how to scan documents to your PC if you prefer to do it that way. Regardless if you're scanning documents to your phone or computer, you need to make sure the printer is on the same Wi-Fi. So to connect the Wi-Fi, come to the front of the printer and you can see that we are on one of 12 settings. Press the right arrow until you get the 12th and last setting, which is the Wi-Fi setup. Press OK, then press OK again. You'll see that you can print wirelessly from computers and devices. Press OK, and then select the Wi-Fi setup wizard pressing OK. It's now going to search for networks that are near the printer. You can scroll through them and find your one. When you find it, press OK. Then it's going to ask you to enter in the password of your Wi-Fi. So it's usually on the back of the router, and you can use this button to change between numbers, capitals. Then once you've entered your password in, simply press OK, and you'll get this setting up message, and it's now pairing the Wi-Fi with your printer. And after around a minute, you should get a setup complete message, which means you're good to go. And here we are. So to scan documents to your phone, you'll need to download the Epson Smart Panel app. So just open the Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have, and open up the app. You'll agree to the license agreement and then press OK here. Press Next. And then it's going to ask us to allow permission. We'll allow it. And then press Next. And then we need to allow to find devices on local networks once again. And it's now going to find the printer, so you should see the WF-2910 series. Press on that, and we can see connection is complete, so press OK. Then it'll ask what format you want the app to be in. I prefer tiles. And then here we have the home screen of the app. So if you press scan at the top right, it will show you the scan settings. So you can change the document size. You can change it to black and white. You can also change the resolution. So depending on what kind of thing you're scanning, if it was something like a photograph, you would choose the highest DPI. However, for a normal text document, 200 DPI is fine. You've also got an image format. You can select PDF, JPEG, and then don't press scan yet because we need to put the item in the scanner. So to do that, lift the scanning lid, and then get your document and place it face down on the scan glass like this. Then you want to align it with this arrow, so push it to the bottom right. And then if you close the lid, we're now ready to scan. Get your phone and then press start, and that's going to begin the scan. It should take around 20 seconds or so, and you'll hear the printer in the background. So here we have this scan. If I just zoom in, you can see it. I have a few options here on the right. You can crop it or rotate it. You also have this scan button on the left. So if you were scanning more than one document, you would take the first one out, place the next one in, and then press this scan button. Once you're done, press next in the bottom right. Then we can rename the scan. Then press save in the bottom right to complete it. And save once again. and we'll confirm that the file is saved. So that's how to scan documents to your phone. To scan documents to your PC, we need to add the printer to our computer. To do that, press the Windows logo at the bottom left. Then in the search bar, type printers and scanners. In the top right, click the blue Add Device button. That's going to find all the printers that are connected to your network. So Epson WF-2910, click Add Device. And then it's going to install. So just wait around a minute. And then you should see that it says ready below it. Here we are, which means it's now connected and we're ready to scan. So if you click below, you can see to the right you have your scanner settings, and it should say Open Scanner. If it doesn't say Open Scanner, that's because you don't have the Windows Scan app. So if you open up the Microsoft Store and search for Windows Scan, this is the official Windows app. Go ahead and download it. Then if you come back here, you can open the scanner. And we can see that our printer is selected, and you have a few other options that you can change within here. So now we're going to come back to the printer and open up the scanner lid. Place the document face down, make sure the top is pointed to the right, and then push it into the bottom right where this arrow is to make sure it's aligned with the scanner. So now if you come back to your PC, come down to the bottom and click on this scan button. And we can hear the printer scanning our document. So you'll know it's finished when you get a pop-up at the top of the screen. Here we are. It will tell you that the scan has been saved to my pictures folder. If we come to the top where it says view, you can open it, or you can directly go into that folder. And here it is, and I'll just zoom in. This is our scan result. So that's how to use your Epson WF-2910 scanner.